Nowadays, data security has become very important. All of us use social networks, store personal information on our smartphones, and so on. You will agree that you never want someone to take control of your data. So today, I would like to tell you about the Safepass app, which will help you solve the security problem and keep your data secure. The application is distributed absolutely officially. It is available in the App Store, where you can get acquainted with the program description and also find user reviews, which, in fact, are very positive. So let's download it and test it ourselves. The first time we launch the app, we go through a simple sign-up process, then click Start. We accept all the terms and conditions and move on to the next step. Here, we will at once notice several advantages that make this password manager different from others, and it is actually true. The majority of password managers store passwords on the cloud, which allows someone to take over your data. With the Safepass, all your data is stored only on your device and is not uploaded to the cloud. In addition, the Safepass free functionality is much wider than that of its competitors. Safepass has a paid subscription. For only $5 a month, you will get unlimited space for storing passwords and record checking for compliance with the breach of the password database. If your data has somehow ended up in the hands of fraudsters, you will receive an alert. Plus, you will get enhanced security and 24/7 support, as well as the ability to export your notes. After the subscription, we will have 3 free days, so click Start Premium Plan. Now we have access to all the program features. Let's take a closer look at the details of everything. Note the design. It is really well thought out and enjoyable. In addition, all of this is complemented by the animations. It looks very cool. On the home screen, we can see all the information categories we can store. By clicking on the button at the top on the right, we can customize the view by selecting to display it as a list. Let's move on to the passwords and store our first password. Click Add Password. It is very simple here. Type in a title. Supposing this password is your Gmail password, so we will type in the Gmail password. Then we specify a link to the site, an email or username, and also write a password. As well as here, you can also generate an absolutely unique password, but I will talk about this a bit later. You can put a small note below. For example, if you have several Gmail accounts, you can add here what this account is used for. Click Save and the password is added. Then you can add notes. This is the information that is preferably kept safe. For example, the password to your Wi-Fi, PC, or job information, which is good to know only to you. The way to add notes is exactly the same here. In addition, you can scan the document you need to add to the app. The same goes for credit cards. You can write the data yourself or scan it and then simply save it. It is possible to store crypto wallet seed phrase and personal information. Let's take a look at 2 interesting tools. The first one is a password generator, where you can set the password parameters and a suitable password will be generated, which you can copy with one click. It is very handy, and the most significant thing is that such a password is impossible to be guessed or chosen using the software. One more feature is the ability to test the reliability of your password. Type your password in this field and click Start Checking. Then you will see if your password is secure or should be changed. Finally, let's set a password for this app. Click Set Up Passcode and make a password. Next, if your iPhone supports Face ID, you can flip this switch. If you want the password to be requested after each quit of the application, then switch this setting on. Also, if you want to change your password, click here and then set a new one. That is all I have to say. In summary, I would like to say that Safepass is really worthy of your attention. First of all, it is one of the most secure password managers and is trusted by dozens of people. All of the data is stored only on your device. In addition, it has a pleasant and intuitive design. I recommend you test this program and be convinced of it yourself.